So I'm going to be teaching you how to factory reset a Samsung Replenish. I have a Boost Mobile, and so what you want to do is you want to shut it off. I already have it shut it off, and what you want to do is you want to hold the power button, the volume down button, and the U button at the same exact time. So I'm going to be doing it, and once you see the boot up logo, you want to automatically let go of the power button. So let me try doing it. Let go. And it moved. So then with your volume key buttons up and down, it controls. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to now click on wipe data factory reset, and then you click on enter so it can work, and then go down up until it says yes, and then boom, and then reboot system now. And then boom, you got your phone reset. Yes, it will take very, very long time for it to open back. You see, you say Samsung Replenish, and then you see Samsung. Well, this is Boost Mobile, as you can see, but it will say Samsung. You see Samsung? Yeah, now it will be in the screen for a very, very long time, which is unfortunate. So yeah, and then once it's done, you got your phone rebooted, but it will keep all your files, but it will like erase all the programs and everything, and boom, erase even the password that look. So if you just find it, if you want to get rid of the password, you do that, and boom, you got rid of the password. And yeah, and I want to keep it, but since I don't have enough time, I'll pause it and show it when you open. Okay. I'm sorry guys, but it's taking very long, so I'm going to close. I'm just gonna say that it is gonna open. It is gonna open, but I won't show it to you now. Okay, so yeah, I hope you learned something on how to reset it, and I'll see you in the next one.